What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to work on the 5.3 that I picked up for the foxbody. I got the intake off. I got most of the front accessories off, so I'm going to crack the engine open, take a look inside, and hopefully everything looks good. I don't know what my plans are for this engine yet, but I guess we'll figure it out as I go. So I'll set you guys up on a tripod and get to work. Don't have much room to work in here, so trying to set it up as best as I can to work, especially because it's wintertime in Indiana. So I already had the valve covers off. Everything looked pretty good. Not a lot of sludge. Looked like the engine was decently taken care of. So, ooh, yeah. I'd say it's not too bad. Not sure if that's sludge or... Oh yeah, that's definitely some sludge. But hopefully this doesn't look too bad after we get the heads off. I'm going to at least hopefully get the heads off today. If I remember correctly, okay, thank you, heater. There's the old diesel heater. Oh, there it is. I guess I did put it where it didn't belong. Alright, let's start popping off some rockers. Leave those there. Now the fun part. It's going to be breaking all of the head bolts. So should probably plan where I'm going to set the cylinder heads as well. I'll probably put them on top of my other tool cart, my old U.S. General tool cart. Set that down. I'll throw them right there until I can come out of that drawer, but it's going in that drawer. So, yeah. Definitely knock out the spark plugs while I'm here. I never took those out. So I did end up making my own turbo manifolds for this. Are they going to hold up? Who knows? Because a lot of people say you can't weld a cast, which I agree with. It's hard to weld. It's not impossible, but definitely not easy. And basically all I did with these was TIG weld them with some stainless filler, and I did a preheat on them, and I did a controlled cool down. Wrapped them in a fiberglass blanket, let them cool down nice and slow. So hopefully that will keep everything nice and strong. So that's all loose. Probably leave these in, honestly, but might as well take them out while I got the chance, because they're just going right in the trash. I don't have to fight with a loose head trying to get out the bolts. There are the spark plugs. So basically, I didn't have any background on this motor. The guy bought it for a swap, and he never ended up doing the swap. So spark plugs don't look too bad. They're pretty fouled. You never know. Definitely a high mileage 5.3. Spark plugs don't look too bad. I mean, pretty carboned up, but what do you expect? Alright. Now I think it's time to do the head bolts. Don't plan on reusing these. I did buy a Speedmaster with head stud kit. Hopefully I bought the right one. I'm pretty sure I bought the right one. Hopefully I don't screw this up too bad. So if you ever think that, hey, I've never done that before, maybe it's time to try. That's how I ended up building a twin turbo 2017 Coyote that is also on the channel. If you want to go check any of that out, it was an on-3 kit that I put on it. Paper towels my wife probably doesn't know that I have out here, because I ran out of shop towels, so I had to use some regular paper towels. Okay. Got that out. Now, let's actually put some new gloves on. I do want to see what I have to do next. So I did read this on disassembly. It's actually a really good book. It has a lot of useful information on assembly, disassembly, It also even gives you some performance recommendations. So rocker arms are out, remove push rods, those are out, dipstick tube is out, spark plug and exhaust manifolds are out. Okay, remove cylinder head bolts. Remove the 5M8 bolts. Okay, so it doesn't say that I have to specifically remove them in any order. So I will start ripping them out. So these are torqued to yield. I know they say not to reuse them, but pretty sure, I believe it was Sloppy Mechanic on YouTube on here. He reused them. So I'll save them. You never know when you're going to need a set of used head studs. Let me get the old magnet. Well, certainly hope that nothing decides to fall out of here. Let's put that up there. And then let's actually get this sensor off. So now you can so this would be our coolant temp sensor. Or? Yes, coolant temp sensor it is. We'll reuse it, buy a new one, but just to make sure I remember to order one. I will. Okay. Oh, that popped off real easy. All right, moment of truth to see if I wasted some money or didn't waste some money. Let's see. Well, definitely some carbon buildup. Quite a bit of carbon buildup. But not too bad, actually. All right. Get this head gasket off. Okay. Head gasket looks to be in one piece. No blown head gasket. All right. I'm going to work on getting this other head off. Okay. Here it's all of the impacts cleaning up. It's one thing I got to get better at is cleaning off my tools. Trying to let them sit, stew. And there we go. Okay. Magnet. I didn't need the magnet, but sure does make it a lot easier. Right, let's see if this one comes off. Just as easy as it does. Oh, I guess I can this one. So get the okay here. Yeah, not too bad. So some carbon buildup. Probably go over them a little better once I down. Right. About this gasket. Oh, there we go. Popped right off. Nope, no blown head gasket. Definitely gonna be there soon. I mean, pretty flimsy. Yeah, not bad. I don't know if you can see it in here. Yeah, I know you can't. But I did pick up the ICT billet engine LS stand adapter, and it is worth every time. All right, we'll take a look at the progress that I made today on the 5.3 tearing it down. Got the cylinder heads off and pretty much a couple of sensors, not too much, but turned it over by hand off camera and it works good. Or it rotates just fine. Cylinder walls, probably be able to dingleberry hone them back to life. But let's take a look at it. Here is the ICT billet LS engine adapter, engine stand adapter. This thing is way better than the original one that comes, the 4 paws or arms that come with the Harbor Freight one. Way better. The engine doesn't sag down. It actually sits level, which is good, because it did come with those, and those are absolute trash. So it sits nice and level. You can still get back here with the wrench if you had to or wanted to. I don't want to. I'll just probably take the engine off to do all that back there, but we'll save that for when the time comes. But yeah, the it's not going to focus. Don't got much light out in the shed, but yeah, it's not gonna let you see that. But this is pretty much what the cylinders look like. Not too bad. I did spray a little WD-40 down there before I rotated it. I could have got the lifter trays out. I'll get the lifter trays out and stuff in the next video. But this is pretty much what we're looking at. Cylinder heads are wrapped up. They didn't look too bad. I'm gonna go grab a garbage bag so I can throw it over here, over that, just in case. And then this is the cleanest the welding table has ever been. I just cleaned it today. But that's all of our stuff: valve covers, our rockers, head bolts, our push rods, and that is the diesel heater that was going around on TikTok. It's actually really good. It heats the shed exceptionally well. But yeah, I didn't have it on during the video because of the sound of the fuel pump, so I didn't want to overpower the mic, if that audio even came out good, which we'll see. But yeah, that's pretty much where we're standing. I got a little more to work on, getting it torn down. So yeah, can't complain. It actually it looks really good. I need to get something to hold the crank while I do the to get this off, the harmonic balancer, because the Milwaukee impact is not strong enough. So, but the earthquake one was strong enough to get the crank bolt off of the Coyote, which is weird. So yeah, this is just a lift plate off of eBay. I got paid like $50 for it, if that. And then these, if they will come out, are what are going to go in there. These are Speedmaster, their head stud kit. So I got these off of Jags, I believe it was. Washers, nuts, more washers, more nuts, and studs. So I got this off of, yeah, like I said, I believe Jags. Jags or Summit. One of the two had them for like 50 bucks, 60 bucks, I think it was, or maybe a little more. Or actually, you know what? I may have got it on eBay. One of the two, but they're the Speedmaster ones. So far, all the stuff I've read had good reviews. So yeah, I showed you pretty much how far we're gonna get for today, or how far I'm gonna get for today. Speedmaster studs, like I was saying, I got them either Jegs or eBay. I know they're on both. I believe Jegs is the one that actually has the torque specs for them. But yeah, you can find them on eBay or Jegs. Jegs, eBay, whatever one you want. But yeah, the 5.3 should be able to be torn down the rest of the way, hopefully after the holidays. I just wanted to make a quick little video today to test out this new camera I got. So hopefully the audio came out good. We'll see. If not, I will have to do a voiceover or something. So if you're seeing this, then the audio was not good. Or it was good. We'll find out. Anyway, next video I'll finish tearing down the 5.3. Hopefully order some parts and get the block cleaned and assembled. Still torn on what I want to do, piston and rod wise. I'm thinking about just gapping some new rings and throwing the old ones back in. Or I could get some Gen 4 rods and pistons, but then a lot of people say you need to balance the rotating assembly, and I also read that some people have it and haven't had any bad luck. But I would like this engine to last at least a little bit, at least until I can either find like a 6.0 or a Coyote that's decently priced. I would still Coyote swap it. But for now, LS is cheap. It's power. It's proven. Yeah, it's a dime a dozen, but it's because it works. So that's going to be it for this video. I am going to finish wrapping up in here and get in the house before I get yelled at. I believe my son has been a terror today. So I'm going to go spend some time with him. And hopefully we'll see you in the next one. So thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to follow the foxbody build. Hopefully we'll be able to work on it a little bit more this year and get some of that body work done. I have a lot of, I wouldn't say a lot. I have a decent amount of body work to get done, or metal work, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video.